So right now I'm going to play the Lydian scale for you and we can discover it together. So starting, I'm just going to play it and name the degrees. We have root, second, third, sharp 4, 5, major 6, major 7th, back to root. That's the basic structure. It's almost like a major, except there's a sharp 4 in there. So it's 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7. It sounds like this. It's got a very, very bright sound. With a sharp 4 sound that's got a simple, beautiful ringing, beautiful tension that rings against the root note, and that's the characteristic note, is that sharp 4. One can hear it there. Sharp 4 again. So the sharp 4 is the characteristic note in the scale. It's a bright scale, and it's a scale that we use to express a certain feel with. Now, modality is different to tonality. In tonality, you have the 5th chord. So for example, in the key of C, a G chord that goes to a C, where you get this. And you get movement of chords. Where in modality, it's much more about an atmosphere. So in tonality, most of the music that you would hear, if you've got a C chord to an A, to an F, to a G, typical chord progression, that would be a tonal song. But in modality, we have more an atmosphere of sounds, such as this. So you've got, there's the root, the A, on the 5th string, then I just play the scale degrees. You can hear that atmosphere that it creates. Now I'd like you to come with me as we explore the scale together. I'm going to play a backing track, this type of app that I've downloaded, and I'll be playing some of the Lydian over that so that you can hear a bit more what the scale sounds like. you so much for listening to this video and to listen to the Lydian scale and to the power of that scale. And you can see in that sharp 4, that characteristic note is a note that really brings out the brightness and the beauty in the scale. What I would want you to do is just to put on a backing track or just play an open string and then try to play the scale against that open string. So for example, if you're playing an A Lydian, which should comprise out of the following degrees, 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7, then play an A in the bass and play the Lydian scale. Now, when you do this, try to frequently hit that characteristic note, the sharp 11th, or the D sharp in the case of the A Lydian scale, because that D sharp gives you a very beautiful bright sound on the scale. So I want you to experiment with it, try it out, and the most important thing is just to go for your guitar goals, go for your dreams, and remember, you are a success. Busy happening. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.